a simple question, like, how would you like to be treated?
Oh my gosh, I've never thought about that. God, I never even, that is so simple. I guess, like, I would, I wish that people would treat me how they would treat a married, registered nurse with 2.5 kids in Indiana. That's how I wish people would treat me.
How would that change your life if they treated you that way?
I would be so happy. I don't know. I never even thought about that before. But it'll never happen. That's probably why I don't think about it.